Hi everyone, I've come up with a way that you can reuse what you already have to use your round style seed pods in a garden cube. So you can use these inside your garden, which is excellent. I have lots of these. I prefer these over the Gardyn Rockwool. I think my seeds sprout better in the peat type sponge. And I have a lot of these, so it's very nice to be able to use these in my garden unit and utilize all of what I already have and utilize all the space that's in my garden. Okay, so what I did is I took a used garden cube and I took kitchen shears and I just snipped out part of the bottom, as you can see. I left part of it in there just to kind of help the bottom of the round pod from wiggling around, although it's not necessary. It'll still be fine even if you snip all these out. You just want to make sure that the bottom of the pod will fit in there. And so there it goes. It just slides right in, fits in there nicely, very nicely as a matter of fact. It fits down nice and flush. It's stable, doesn't wiggle around. You can see I have a new little sprout in there right now. And then you can just put your cube in your pod, in your white pod, and put it in your garden. So you can use the round style seed pods in your garden without having to buy any extra adapters or anything like that. I do have the adapters that are sold on Etsy. They're just kind of a plate that fits here, and then you slide the round pod in there, and they work great. But they do not all of these will lay flush and flat in them, as you'll see in the video that I put up next with this one. Anyway, I hope this helps. Again, reuse what you already have and make your own adapters. Perfect. This is what it looks like. All right, have a great day, everyone.